So based on last video, we are able to identify the 5 numbers we needed to creating a box whisker, a plot. However, for the Excel, without manually calculating the mean, max, first, third quantile, and also outliers, we are able to use Excel to creating that box whisker plot for us. And so let's just learn how we can creating that plot. So first of all, in order to create that plot, you need to select your data. So when you're selecting data, you can either including the label or not including label. So let me just include the label. Again, you will get the same answer. So here I'm including my label and I click insert. And I move on to the section called the chart on the arrow here called the more chart. And then under the insert more chart here, there is another tab called all charts. So that is the tab we're going to click. So after I clicked it, and then I will go into box whisker. Okay, now I will click OK. As you notice that in this situation, there's nothing labeled here, but I just want to help you to understand, although in the lecture I mentioned also in the textbook, but I just want to help you to connecting our box whisker plot with the 5 number we calculated in the previous video, right? So how can we show the value of the highest value, smallest value, then the middle bar, and the cross here by labeling this chart? So what you can do is you click this diagram, go to chart design, and then go into add chart element. And then there is one option called the data label. And you can put it left or right, okay? Put left. So after you do that, and you will notice that the highest bar here is the maximum values, right? That's one of the 5 number, $57,000. So that's matching to what we already calculated here. And then the lowest bar here is the minimum value in your data set. That's 7,000. And then there is the middle line going through your box whisker plot. So that is 41,400. So that is my median value, also my second quantile, right? Quartile. Now there is a cross in the middle here. So this actually is the mean value. This actually is my mean value, 37,292. Okay, some students say, wait, I think here's supposed to be this number is supposed to be first quantile, this is supposed to be third quantile. So why they are not matching what we calculated here? The reason is, by default, when you are calculating using creating the box whisker plot, they did not including the upper boundary of your quantile. So they did not including the boundary. So therefore, what you need to do is double click the chart. Once you double click the chart, and then on the right hand side, you will see format chart area, right? So you move to the last one, click last icon. Sorry. Oh. Sorry, should I double click the box whisker chart this itself. So you will be able to see this called the series option here. Once you click this series option, again, in order to show this, you need to double click the box whisker, this square block first, not the whole chart. And then, as you notice, the quantile calculation currently is used excluded, so we should click include median. And once you click the include median, so everything will be matched on what we just calculated manually. First quantile, 16,000. And then the second quantile, 41,400, and then third quantile is 52,500. Okay, so this is my box whisker plot, and then so as you see that we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So those are the 5 number we are looking for. Okay, so feel free to reach out if you have any question, and good luck in creating your box whisker plot.